Hey there, it's Mainstream Trades back with you today. And actually, I just stopped at the gasoline station, went to get a cup of coffee and a piece of cake, and I remembered I had an idea that I want to talk about right now. So I will probably forget about it if I'm not going to talk about it now. And the idea is the top crypto coins and why do I trade basically just the top coins. And here is the coin market cap. If you are in the crypto market for a while, you definitely know this website, and that's where you can find the top coins. Of course, number one is Bitcoin, then it's Ethereum. I'm not going to talk about the stable coins like Tether and USD. Then the next one is BNB, XRP, and we go lower. It's Cardano, Solana, Polkadot, Doge. Here's another stable coin, and there is Polygon Matic. Basically, if I trade, I mean, like 70% out of my portfolio is traded between Bitcoin and Ethereum. The rest I'll scale and use a partial for the BNB. Then I don't trade XRP. I don't trade Solana now. I do have a trade on Polkadot and Dogecoin. I used to trade Matic. I'm not trading it now. And basically, what I'm looking at, first of all, is the market cap. You should remember that and memorize it for the rest of your life. The higher the market cap, then the harder it will be for the other traders to do something, let's say illegal, because cryptocurrency is not monitored and by any laws yet. So there will be a lot of guys trying to push the price up or down depending on their preferences, right? And the higher the market cap is, then the harder it is to manipulate the market. So I like Bitcoin because it has most of the market cap easy over here than Ethereum. So also Bitcoin and Ethereum are used by many investment companies, right? So if investment company trusts in that asset, that means it's pretty good. Also BNB has a pretty high market cap. And the lower you go, the lower the market cap. For example, if we will scroll down and let's go lower and we'll find some, like, for example, Zcash. I'm not saying that the Zcash is bad or IOTA is bad, but for the market players over there, those who wants to manipulate with the price, it will be easier for them. Look at their market cap, especially if you go lower. The lower you go, the higher risk you have. Actually, the higher risk you have, then your possible profit is also higher. But are you willing to risk that much? I'm not. And I do not recommend any newbies on the crypto market to go and trade any of those coins who have a smaller market cap. Because even for Bitcoin and Ethereum, the second criteria that I'm looking at is the volatility. And what is the volatility? The volatility is how big is the swing. For example, this impulsive move here and here is like 51%. By the way, this is Ethereum on 1 day time frame. So in time of 17 days, Ethereum here gave plus 52%, which is a pretty high volatility. And from here to here in just 75 days, Ethereum dropped down minus 75%. Huge volatility, right? For example, if you will go on Euro, US dollar, and let's go into the Forex, you will see that their volatility is way more smaller. For example, here, from here to here, it dropped only like 13%. So for those guys who wants to trade on smaller time frames like 1 hour, why do they say that the Forex is good for those traders? Because here, for example, if you enter the trade here and you put your stop loss here, that's only like 0.32%, and your potential target is somewhere over here, that's not even less than a percent. But if you would go on Bitcoin, crypto, and okay, let's go for the Bitstamp. Over here, look, if you traded this one, then your stop loss here will be 1.5%, right? The same way here, like if you would open the trade here, then your stop loss will be 4%, which is pretty high, especially if you use leverage. This is a Bitcoin, which is not as volatile as many other coins. For example, let's go ahead and some of the coins like Atom, Coinbase. Look at this volatility. I mean, like this guy, 5% here, 5.5%, right? Then you go another one like Phantom, right? On Binance. Look at this guy. Open the trade here, and you have another like 6% stop loss, which is pretty high. And also look at how volatile it is. It just goes up and down, up and down, up and down. Kind of crazy, right? Compare, for example, I will show you that. Compare this chart. Remember that. And now I will open Bitcoin chart, and you will compare how choppy this movement is. So if you are trading on a smaller time frame, I mean, you open it here, put the stop loss here, then bam, your stop loss got triggered. Open another one, you have your trailing stop loss, bam, another one is triggered. And now let's go on Bitcoin. It is also choppy, but it's not that choppy like it was there. You see like a strong impulse move, right? Then a correction. And if you use a trailing stop loss and you put it here, then you would actually result with the profit. That's another reason why I like Bitcoin. But the most thing why I love those coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum is basically their history. I like the coins that have a long history that I can trail and understand how it behaves in different market conditions. For example, let's go on a 1 week time frame, and for that I will open all-time Bitcoin index. And look, I can see how Bitcoin behaved all the way from 2011. So I can look at different market conditions like drop downs, like prices, and understand how probably Bitcoin will behave if something similar may happen. But if I will open, for example, Phantom, or let's go ahead and open Shiba Coin, yeah, which is really interesting. A lot of people are trading it. Look at Shiba. I mean, it only started in 2021. So for me, that doesn't give any valuable historical data to analyze it, how it's going to behave. So I hope I have explained to you why I use the top coins and why I don't go into the smaller market cap. You can surely do that. I do sometimes actually trade the smaller market caps, but then I use a very tiny percentage of my portfolio just in case if I'm going to lose that, it's not going to hurt my portfolio. Hope you like this information. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Talk to you later. Have a safe and profitable trading. Bye bye.